Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markan and today guys I'm gonna show you how to cut chicken breast for shish thaw. Okay, last time I already posted in my YouTube channel how to put the chicken meat in skewers for shish thaw. So today I'm gonna share with you guys how to cut chicken breast for a shish thaw. And remember always, if you are making anything for shish thaw, because shish thaw it's a Arabic starter, right? So if you are cutting the shish thaw, okay, so always remember this chicken breast. It will be for the shish thaw. So I have to cut this chicken breast for shish thaw. So I wanna show you which types of cube we need for the chicken shish thaw. So let's start. So for example, this one we have a chicken breast. You can see it's skinless, right? So I already remove his skin. So we will make a cube for that. So we will start from his thin edge, because thin we cannot put this thin area inside the star. So I have to cut this one line by line. So this one, so it will be square shape. You can see the piece, it should be square pieces, right? So I want to show you. So it should be square pieces, guys. You can see it should be square pieces, so it will be easy to put inside the skewers. So I have to marination as well as these things when I will make a chicken stock. So just right now I want to show you how to cube the chicken breast for stocks, right? So guys, I want to share with you chicken stock. It's an Arabic starter, right? The Middle East people, all the Arabic people, it's a main starter of Arabic peoples. So they have it when they want, in the grill, in the sear. It's a depend to them which types of cooking method they are using for them. So, but chicken stock, always remember this thing: chicken stock we made only with the chicken breast, not a chicken leg, not his back, only chicken breast side. Easy to put inside the skewers. So bye.